Welcome back to my channel. Today we're moving on to part 3 of our VLOOKUP Hacks series. In this video, I will guide you through the following hacks. Hack 11. VLOOKUP with multiple tables. Here, we'll use a single formula to retrieve data from separate tables. Hack 12. Partial match VLOOKUP, also known as VLOOKUP with wildcards. In this hack, you'll learn how to search for data based on a partial string match. Hack 13. Dynamic lookup with VLOOKUP, offset, and match. What if you want to find a list of all product names ending with laptop, as shown on the screen? This would be fairly simple if you're using Excel 365 or Excel 2021+. But if you're using a different version, you can still accomplish this by following my guide. Hack 14. VLOOKUP with column index number. Normally, if you want to search through each column in a table, you would have to write a formula for each column, right? Not anymore. With my guide, you'll be able to do it with just one formula. Hack 15. VLOOKUP with average calculation. With just one formula, you can find the average value from a given data table. Are you excited? Let's dive in. Hack 11. VLOOKUP with multiple tables. In part 2, I showed you how to use VLOOKUP with multiple sheets. In this hack, we'll apply VLOOKUP with multiple tables. This is quite simple. We just need to name the data tables. I've already named the other tables similarly. Now let's write the formula. To eliminate number NA errors, I'll use the ifNA function. Hack 12. Partial match VLOOKUP, also known as VLOOKUP with wildcards. Let's say you want to find the first value containing a specific phrase. For example, if I want to find the first product containing MacBook, the asterisk will represent any string of characters after MacBook. It works. Similarly, if I want to find the first value that ends with monitor, I'll place the asterisk before the word monitor. Hack 13. Dynamic lookup with VLOOKUP, offset, and match. Let's say you want to find a list of product names that end with laptop. This is quite easy with the filter function in Excel 365 or Excel 2021 Plus. But if you're using a different version, follow my approach. For example, I want to find a list of products that end with laptop. For the first formula, we'll use the same approach as in Hack 12. For the second formula, I'll first use the match function to identify which row HP NV15 laptop is in the data table. The result is correct. Now I'll combine this with offset to shift the table array by 5 rows. Finally, we just need to combine it with VLOOKUP. Drag the formula down, and we have the entire list of products containing laptop. Hack 14. VLOOKUP with column index number. Normally, in this situation, most of us would write a formula for each column. But from now on, we don't need to. I'll show you a different approach with just one formula. First, I'll use the column function, which returns the corresponding column index numbers. You see that it now shows 2, 3, 4 for each column. Now we just need to combine it with VLOOKUP. In fact, I still prefer the method from Hack 2 that I introduced in Part 1, which you can refer to in the top right corner of the screen. Hack 15. VLOOKUP with average calculation. Let's say you want to calculate the average revenue across months, but the data table doesn't have a column for average revenue. First, I'll apply hack 14, where the column function helps us return the column index numbers for the desired columns. Now I'll combine this with VLOOKUP. And then just add the average function. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and comment if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.